Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, November 9, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, November 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 9, 2024, Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, November 9, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for Saturday, November 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, November 9, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.